As our financial systems become increasingly unstable, securing your wealth requires more than just traditional investments. In this video, we'll explore why gold and silver are essential assets in any portfolio. These precious metals offer protection against inflation, market volatility, and the erosion of fiat currency. We'll also discuss why Augusta Precious Metals stands out as a trusted partner for investing in gold and silver, helping you build a stable and prosperous future.
There's three kinds of money today that you guys got to be aware of. One is God's money, and God's money is gold and silver. So this is silver, and this is gold. The reason I brought it is most people don't know what it looks like. And then there's government money, which is fiat currency, which is the dollar, the yen, the peso, the euro, the yuan. Fake. And everybody's working hard for it. It's like eating fake food or drinking fake water. That's why people are getting sick financially, because they're working for fake money. Okay. And then there's fake assets, which was another part of the fake millennial, the fake generation series. But the reason I brought this here is most people haven't seen it. This here is real silver, plata. Okay. That's what it looks like. And so in 1972, and this here is gold. This is God's money. This is what God's money looks like. The reason I call it God's money is you can't fake it.
This clip sets the stage by contrasting fiat currency, money printed by governments, and gold and silver, which hold intrinsic value. Unlike paper money, which loses purchasing power over time, gold and silver have maintained value across centuries. As the clip highlights, precious metals are a reliable store of value. Augusta Precious Metals helps investors make this transition smoothly, showing the path from depreciating fiat to stable, tangible wealth.
I never, when 72, well, I met my first financial planner, because the whole story. They told me to diversify. I said, "Are you nuts?" I said, "That's called diversify. You buy a little of all this crap, and all of it's paper, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. Even real estate is on, REITs. It's fake real estate. I don't touch this stuff. Now, you should, but I won't. Okay, understand? I'm not saying don't touch it. I'm saying be aware of what's real and what's fake here." So when I was about your age, okay, so that was about fake. I'm flying behind enemy lines in Vietnam, and I realized I was being lied to by my own government, my own teachers, and especially Wall Street, So when I was about 25 years old, I bought my first gold coin. It was 50 bucks. Today it's worth about 15. Now it's about 1,800 today. So I never saved dollars. And what I started to do then, as I got older, I just saved gold. So if you look at me today, here I am here. And then today I'm adding plata. So rather than saving dollars, which was going down in value, I just saved gold and silver. And it just became a habit. It was, sometimes it was hard because I didn't have any money.
Gold and silver aren't just for protecting wealth. They can also help you build it. In this clip, we dive into how these assets can add substantial value to a diversified portfolio. With inflation eroding savings, gold and silver offer a strategic way to preserve and grow your wealth over time.
So you look at why silver could be our best investment of all. Look at what's happening. Silver demand is getting higher. Okay. Silver fabrication demand in China is at record high. You look at this whole thing in 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011. It never stopped. Even though the world economy nearly crashed, the demand for silver kept going up because silver is an industrial metal. It's used in industry. This thing is only saved. Okay. So in 1972, when I was flying behind enemy lines, I bought my first gold coin in Hong Kong. It was a Krugerrand, South African Krugerrand. It cost me 50 bucks. Today, that same coin is worth about $1,500 no, it's worth about $1,800 now. Now, did the Kruger rand get bigger, or did the dollar get worthless?
The dollar got worthless.
Yeah, and they tell you to save money?
Yeah.
At the bank?
Yeah, I mean, people are saving at extreme amounts because they want to be able to protect themselves for when they retire and things like that. But it doesn't make sense because the dollar keeps going down and how many currencies have gone extinct. So really, what I was learning the other day is that the dollar is basically coming to an end of its experiment time, and it's gonna, we might even go back to a gold standard, you know?
I doubt it. The reason we won't go back to the gold standard is because the banks can't rip us off. Mm-hmm. If we went back to the gold standard, the central bank, the Fed, the European Central Bank, Bank of Japan, Bank of China, they couldn't rip us off.
It's not convenient for them.
So the whole thing here is I'm not angry at my banks because that's where I get my money from.
While gold often steals the spotlight, silver has unique advantages that make it an ideal investment for future growth. This clip explores silver's dual role as both an industrial metal and a store of value, highlighting its high demand across various industries.
Look at this, the global government silver inventories. It's going down. So what's happening is the inventories of this is going up because China's buying it, Russia's buying it, Turkey's buying it. Mm-hmm. Everybody's buying gold now. The central banks are. They don't tell you that in school, though. Of course not.
No, they don't.
And so what's happening, the silver is going down in quantity because they burn it up in industry. It's always disappearing, where this is saved. Okay. So I think silver is such a great opportunity for your generation.
It is. I think it's an incredible opportunity, especially because, like you mentioned, it's affordable too. And I mean, you were teaching me the other day while we were looking at graphs that the price is the lowest it's been.
Well, look at this here. It's almost half of the all silver mine is in landfills. Talk about a waste of things. Mm-hmm. So every day the amount of silver produced is being thrown away. Okay. Look at this. It just, this just shows you what happens with the price. Mm-hmm. The price will always go up and down, but you have to look at the inventory supplies of it. And this is what happens. Everybody wants to go green now.
Yeah. It's on trend. All these millennials, plastic straws, like all these things. California now requiring the solar panels.
Right.
All that requires silver.
So silver, again, is an industrial metal. Mm-hmm.
This clip unveils the rising global demand for silver, driven by industries like tech, renewable energy, and healthcare. With demand soaring, silver scarcity is increasing, which can drive up its value even more. Augusta Precious Metals specializes in providing silver investments that align with this trend, giving investors a way to capitalize on both silver's demand and its role as a wealth-preserving asset. Gold and silver provide more than just portfolio diversity. They're vital assets for securing wealth against inflation, currency devaluation, and economic turmoil. Augusta Precious Metals is a trusted company that makes it easy for investors to purchase gold and silver at competitive prices, ensuring you have the tools to protect and grow your wealth. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, click the link below to get started with Augusta Precious Metals today. Don't forget to check out our other videos regarding gold IRA and trusted companies for investing gold IRA. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like these.